Hey guys and girls, so this is just a follow-up video to the first installation video that I did for the gutterware aluminum gutter protection system. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on, it's hard to see. So, I just wanted to do a real quick video on cutting. So, here I have just set up just a straight cut. What I like to do is actually line it up on these little holes. It actually makes it a lot easier to cut. So you're only adjusting your space by, you know, 1/8 of an inch or something like that. So it's not too bad. And that's it. Nice straight cut. Careful of this end. You can see that I'm wearing gloves. This stuff is, it's pretty sharp. And also the instructions that Gutterware sends are not the best. They're very basic, and I figured I'd make this video to try to help people because there's probably people in the same situation. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to do an inside corner cut. So what I've done is I've cut out the template. I've overlaid it on the piece that I'm looking to cut. Take a nice pair of scissors to cut this so it's nice and straight. Measuring tape so that you know what length you're going to need. I know that I can start with a cut piece. That makes it a little bit easier. Nice marker for marking everything. Same way as before. So we're just going to grab our piece. And these inside cuts can get a little gnarly. So what I like to do is I'll take my 45 first. And I'll just cut it right off. And then what I'll do is I'll take that little nib. We've already made this cut and back. That's your cut right there. You can see it follows the template, and there's our piece. And you can see where I started. I started on that factory cut, or that notch right up there. So that's a nice starting point for our cut. So we're going to do the same with the other piece, so that the other piece kind of locks in like that. If that makes any sense. You probably could just overlay these pieces, but I think for the, you know, little bit of effort that's involved, they got the templates in the box. Let's try to make this as good as it can be. So I hope you guys and girls found the video informative. If you did, thumbs up. If you didn't, thumbs down. Tell me why in the comments. Any questions in the comments, and think about hitting that subscribe button. Where is it? It's probably right there. And we'll see you on the next one.